Alright, YouTube, gonna start on this box Chevy. So I got some 30s on it. It's the lime green. I already did the headline in it before. Got a blue vinyl on the headline. And now he painted it lime green, so lime green on the bottom of the dash, carpet just in there. And got it all the way in there. I just got it in there to get it out that damn box and being balled up. This is what my next project is. Do the interior on this. Trim pieces down on the floor. Then dashboard, gotta wrap it. We had a little rear deck pieces we had. I basically had to cut them out with some more wood and shit. I'm gonna wrap them. And I got the visors that I did before, but I took the material off of it and the little quarter panel pieces. And then this the armrest for the front of the seat. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the front of the seat this time or not. I mean, keep the armrest in the front of the seat or not. Call and ask him. And then this is the seat pattern that was on here. Got the little buttons on there. He got to find some more of these pieces right here. Got the seat belts, lime green seat belts, door panels. We had them, but I don't know if we're gonna go back with them or I'm gonna try to wrap the original plastic pieces that came on there. So we had those little speaker pods right here, sitting at the top of the door panel. So he told me he wanted me to come up with a pattern to put on the top of the door panel. So if I come up with a pattern to put up there, I ain't gonna be able to put the them things back up there. Got the seat belts. Go with it. Alright, seat belt. So here over here. I'm gonna put the suede on the headliner and the visors. It's gonna be suede, lime green suede right now. Yeah, got the bottom, but he picked out that color to go in the center. He got some kind of theme he's gonna go with. So them two colors we're going with right there. This is gonna be in like the little middle or the inserts of the seat, but this is gonna be a majority of it right there. It's dusty as hell because they gonna sand it or whatever. I might go ahead and do the headline here. I don't know. I'm just gonna get started on it, and then when I feel like I got something else to show y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Alright, so YouTube, I got to a stopping point. Got the dash shit up there, got it screwed in and everything. Got the carpet in there a little bit better for right now anyway, for where I'm at. I got the headline in there. Do like it. I ain't like him, but you know how he be saying, got that suede roof in there, stitch. And he wanted the suede roof in there, so I put a suede headline in there and suede visors in there with this, stitching, green stitching. And he had this little speaker things back there. I just remade some more, wrap them. I gotta take the little trimming off back there because I gotta wrap it. I forgot, and then wrap them, then put all them back in with all the rest of the trim pieces up there. But this is what we're looking like so far on the box Chevy. Green carpet, green headliner, green dashboard, green rear deck. Yep, that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna get back to it and show y'all some more later as I progress.